girl, does that mean I can have a sister but without you being pregnant?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. You gotta find out. Okay, put it right there. Be careful. Okay, now Aaron put water. Try to put it like this.
Don't put the water.
That's it.
Keep going, keep going. Eso.
No, pero tiene que pararlo porque le entra. Okay, now
One more. I gotta go get one more. Here, we'll go with water from the bathroom.
wait
Wait,
a
Aaron,
little
no.
bit over there.
No,
Put it
Aaron,
in
don't.
there,
Leave
put
it there.
Put it in.
Leave it there.
Yeah, but hold it down. Hold it down a little bit antes que le
Oh
llene
no, I
los
need to put all my
que le
shoes.
llene los huequitos que eso. No, ya.
I'm so spider.
It's okay.
Big one.
Kill it.
No.
Ajá, pero ven acá y eso. Yeah, let's put the water.
Aaron.
Hold it down. A little.
Oh, that's breathing.
It's breathing?
Yeah, look. See, some bubbles are coming out.
Yeah,
from
wait
the top.
until the bubbles stop. Wait until the bubbles stop.
Okay.
It stopped.
Yeah, let it go. Careful.
Now I have to put
Let it
more
go.
water. Let
Let
it
go.
go. Now I have to put more water.
Yeah, come.
You have to wait for
Or probably,
Okay,
or
then.
probably we can put the food in there, like one for the water and one for the food.
Yes. Okay.
And some for me.
See it.
And it was making some bubbles.
Yeah, make some more. Oh, great, Gigi. Give me 5, Gigi. Wow, you're an artist. Oh my God, Gigi.
Everybody keeps on saying that I should be an artist because I'm good at drawing.
Yes.
I'm making bubbles.
And
Mommy,
that.
where's my Christmas tree that I put over here?
I don't know,
1,
somewhere.
2,
Let's
3,
put away.
4,
I don't know.
5, 6,
Done.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
13, 14. On the
And
14th.
this is 15.
Oh, that 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12, 13, and 14. Oh, so Alita counted it wrong.
Yeah.
I bet Alita skipped one number.
Yes, one number.
Okay, now.
Okay, that's the first day.
Did we hide until no bad guys steal it?
So you have to wait. You have to wait to see it. Don't kill the baby before it was born. If you take it out, maybe die. I don't know.
Then now you wait.